I'm Miss Geeta Jayant. I'm from Bangalore International School in Bangalore, and we are the oldest Cambridge school in Bangalore. We have a history of about 42-year-olds, and we have been offering the Cambridge courses for children from that time. Believe me, it has been the most wonderful experience for us as educators to expose them to a curriculum which you can get the flavor of India, introduce them, but still be relevant at an international context as well. Children who pass out from a school, we do the IGCSE. In fact, today we are here in Hyderabad for a TIC conference, which brings in educators from different parts of our country in India and abroad. And during this conference, when we were presenting, we were talking about the Cambridge's new course, which is the Global Perspective, and at the IGCSE level, and 11th and 12th, we have the Cambridge Pre-U course, which is the GPR. And we shared our experiences as educators in our school, how much our kids have gained, doing this course, and how they have, with this qualification, how they've gone and been placed in different universities, not only in India, but abroad. So many of our kids are in the best of universities across the world, in US, UK, Switzerland, then Australia, Singapore. So that has been the advantage, what we feel that Cambridge courses do offer. I think the students, it helps them to become independent learners, build on critical thinking skills, build on the research skills. Now with the advent of technology, where there is so much of, it's getting more and more multicultural, becoming more and more connected. It is becoming very, very mobile. So in a situation when the world is changing, if we don't change our education system to synchronize with that, then I don't think so, we will be able to. So, but these courses help us because they are also doing a lot of research to make it relevant to today's kids. So these courses are not which has been made about so many years ago and it's applicable. So these particular courses, so that's how our children are basically building on the life skills and they're ready to take charge of the world immediately. Up to 8th standard, I think it's a flexibility. Cambridge does not, define rules. So any school can take that course up. Up to 8th, it is anything, but 9th and 10th, Cambridge says up to 5 subjects is compulsory for one level of certification, which is called IGCSE. And in 11th and 12th, there is another 3 subjects they have to take minimum to pass the 12th. And both these courses are recognized by the Association of Indian Universities. Asking me, there are many questions many a times where parents come and say, will these qualifications be recognized by the Indian universities? And we have had no problem at all during that. So for abroad, there's no problem, but India is what many Indian parents say, after 10th, would he get admission here? Would he get, does India recognize it? Yes, Association of Indian Universities has given a written statement that they recognize this. It is because it is the grade 10 certificate which matters. So you have an examination. As long as the student has finished, he gets an IGCSE certificate with a minimum of 5 subjects, which is equivalent to Association of Indian Universities. He can do it sitting in school or he can do it privately too. Come back, but he needs to come and write an examination at a center. It's a 13 to 15 is the category for IGCSE, 16 to 18 is the for A levels. So within that age group is what. But they still don't have it marked. You can take up the examination at any point in time also.